Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about UDL, which stands for Universal Design for Learning. And UDL is just a way of um, planning and teaching to maximize learning for all kinds of learners and all kinds of students. So, for example, if I were teaching a lesson about thirds and fifths, I would have several different ways of helping students to grasp the concept. So, I might teach it first orally. So, I'd say, all right, everyone repeat after me. And I'd go, do, mi, so, mi, do, and explain that do to mi is a third, and then you go another third, mi, so is another third, and together they make do, so, do, a fifth. And then in addition to that, I would show it visually and show it up on a staff and say, if you notice, right, there's 5 lines on a staff and 4 spaces, which is probably something I would have gone over before this. And I would say to show a third on a staff, we're going to go from a line to a line or a space to a space. And then maybe just to help drive home that process, I would ask all of them to show me their staff on their hands, and then to show me with their 2 fingers a third and a fifth, and then show me a different third and a fifth. And then maybe if I had a set of risers in my classroom, I would ask them to step up 3 steps to show a third. And so it's essentially just a way to make sure and to pre-plan for students who might not quite grasp the concept in the same way that you might, in the same way that their peers might. And typically in conversations about UDL, it starts off as a conversation about how to accommodate for students that may have a disability, either that you might have to accommodate for. But realistically, teaching with UDL is not only going to accommodate students with disabilities, but also just students with any different kind of learning styles. Because I know for me, I have a really hard time sitting in lecture because I am not an oral or a visual learner. I'm a kinesthetic learner, so I started noticing that I was only successful in lecture classes when I would study in the middle of a dance rehearsal, and I could move and start getting ideas in my body. And so it's really just making sure that you, as a teacher, are aware that you're going to have students that don't all learn the same way, and taking care of the students and teaching to the margins, because if you're only teaching to select people, to a select type of person, only a few kids in your class are going to be able to grasp the concept, and you're going to have so many people in your class that just don't understand what you're teaching, and then they just wasted so much time, and you've wasted so much time and so much opportunity to help people in their lives, and that's a real shame. So yeah, UDL, it's the stuff. Peace out.